Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So today's topic will be that how to clean, maintain and restore your car engine and engine bay. So without wasting any time, we will directly go to the car, guys. So this is the before condition of the vehicle. The rust and the dirt has been situated under beneath the wiper mechanism and the wiper cover. Before the windshield area, you can just see all the suspension and the wiper mechanism and the wiper motor has been covered in rust and in dirt. You can just see it is due to my negligence and not giving a proper attention to it. And this is the before condition of the engine, guys. All the dirt has been situated. You can just take a look. All the dirt, grease, and what should I say? Everything is in like a messed up manner, guys. Actually, this is a specific area I have to clean it by water and by polish paper. Later you will see in the video, guys. Just take now before condition how much it is covered in dirt. Just see, guys. So right now I started cleaning with the soapy water and with the Scotch-Brite. So every day I'm giving like a half an hour in the night to clean this, because it is not like a one-day process. You have to give a specific time to it, and if you give like more time you will get irritated. So my advice is that give a week time, do it with patience, and you will see the result, guys. Every day half an hour is more than enough. So right now I started cleaning the metal surface. Actually it's a turbo, so do it very carefully, guys. Right now I know that what I'm doing, so I'm taking a precaution and doing it by myself. And sorry for the instability, guys, because I have to do this process by one hand and I have to hold the mobile in another hand. So I'm sorry for the instability, but actually my motto is to give a specific idea so that you will do by your own. Right now I'm just sharing you that what parts you have to clean and how you have to clean. And in this process, if you remove the battery, that is the most safest thing, guys. Do that also. So this is actually the first day. So I'm just in the first day I'm just cleaning the metal surface, and later by later I will capture all the area. And if you see, this is actually under beneath the wiper mechanism, like the wiper cover. Right now I'm cleaning with soapy water and the Scotch-Brite or the sponge, whatever you have in your specific home, you can do it, and it's very user friendly, guys. Right now I'm clearing all the dirt, and this is the second day. Actually I'm cleaning all the pipes, and do it very carefully, guys, because this is the intercooler and the turbo pipe. So do it very carefully. Every day I'm giving like a half an hour of night. That is more than enough to clean this. And you don't have to go any specific garage to do it. You can do it by your own. I'm really sorry for the instability, guys. So after cleaning, if you can see that where the rust area, I have specifically covered it with like silicone paste, which is easily available in any paint shop. You can say them that I want the grey putty, they will give you, and you have to just apply on the rust area so that the rust will not appear again on that. So specifically I have cleared it and I have applied that silicone paste over there, and I have cleaned the wiper mechanism also. Just see, guys. Right now it's in very much better condition, I must say. And this is, I guess, like a third or fourth day. Again I have applied the second layer of putty. Just see, guys. Now we'll just clear the under beneath the engine cover area. This is the condition right now. So guys, this is the main thing for which I have taken this project. I have to clear this rust surface because later on it will create a damage to the area which unable to fix. So right now it is on a small level, so that's why I thought to clean this thing. So with the polish paper you can remove all the rust. I'm just giving a specific idea. You can just see this is how to clean the rust, but I'm just giving a small idea. It takes a lot of time guys. And you can see this is the fourth day I have applied a silicone paste, and you can just see right now this is the battery condition guys. You can see how much dirty it is. So that's why I have to clean this battery also. Just see guys what is the condition. So same thing guys, soapy water and Scotch-Brite, but do it very carefully because it's an electronic thing. Just see how I am doing, and you can do it by that thing only, but just take a precaution. If you are unable to do it, you can hire a professional, means you can give it to the like a battery charger person. They will do it on behalf of you only if you are unable to do it, but it's not a rocket science. You can do it by your own also. And after cleaning, just take a look guys. Look like next to brand new only. Just see. So this battery panel also has been rusted, so I thought to clean this also. And to make it more look better, I have thought to paint the battery also. You can just see the battery has been cleaned, and I have started to paint it with normal spray paint bottle which is easily available in the hardware store. You can see. So I thought to paint this battery because the battery is like in a proper condition, so I thought to paint it so it will look like nice and like next to brand new, and it will enhance the look of the engine bay. You can just see. Sorry for the instability guys, but you know that I have holding the mobile in another hand and I'm spraying it. Sorry for that, but you will get a specific idea that how to do it. You can just see. If you want to, you can cover the negative and positive sign. And after cleaning the battery, the most important area, the battery carrier guys, or the battery holder. This is the most important thing guys, because most of people have neglected this and end up with cutting this specific area, and then again you have to weld this thing because this is attached to the chassis of the vehicle guys, and it is very difficult to change it. The process is again same with the polish paper and the soapy water. You have to do it, and make sure that you are removing the car computer guys, because you don't want to mess this thing. Okay, so after cleaning, I have specifically painted all the areas. Look the wiper motor guys, it's look like a brand new only, no sign of rust. Just see it guys, how much shiny and glossy it is. No one will able to tell you that this area was like so much dirty and rusted. It's look like a brand new only. And check the condition of the battery carrier guys, looks like a brand new only. All the hard work has been paid off. Can you guys able to tell that it has been like so much damage condition? I guess no guys. And now check the brake fluid area guys, all the rust has gone and look like a brand new only. All this area will easily get rusted, so we have to take care of all this area and make sure that you have to clean this area in a specific time. Enjoy the cinematic shots guys. Guys enjoyed the video, I would like to share some safety tips while cleaning the engine, guys. Kindly make sure that you are covering all the electronic components of the engine. And second thing, guys, kindly make sure that you are taking all the safety measures. If you want to remove the battery, you can remove it. That is the most safest thing for cleaning the engine. And take your own sweet time while cleaning the engine, guys. I know it's a very time consuming process, but that is the only thing which help you to keep your engine clean. That's it, guys. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel, Switesh Acharikar.